family for their help with our show.
Hello, and welcome to our Science and Health musical, The Amazing Human Body. It was written by teacher's friend Christina Duke. We hope you learn a lot and enjoy the songs. Just listen, and we're sure you'll recognize this tune.
It's the story of human body. Come and listen while we take you on a tour. We'll learn all about the human body systems, like the bones and muscles, brain, and so much more. Let's learn digestion and respiration. There are many facts we'd like to share with you. So sit back, relax, we'll entertain you with many facts and rhymes and raps and songs too.
Every day you do things. You see things, taste things, you touch things, and you smell things. Sometimes you run, and sometimes you sneeze. Some of the things you do with your body, you do on purpose. And some of them just happen. Your body is a very special piece of machinery.
Each part helps all the other parts, and all together they will make you the person that you are. Even though everyone is not the same, and even though everyone likes to do things their own way, everyone's body works the same way. Did you know that you have a beautiful body? Well, just listen.
My body is totally awesome, you see. There are lots of different parts to make a whole me. There's my bones and my muscles that help me jump, and a muscle called a heart that goes thump, thump. There's my brain that thinks and reasons too. Man's brain has so many jobs to do. There's my lungs that help me breathe. They clean the air. There's the outside of me. My skin, my hair. There's my liver, my kidneys, and my stomach too. They all work together to digest my food. There's lots of different parts if you'll take the time. You can learn it all through rhythm and rhyme. Body beautiful, body beautiful. I got me and I'm so proud. Body beautiful, body beautiful. I'm gonna shout it out loud. Body beautiful, body beautiful. I got me and I'm so proud. Body beautiful, body beautiful. I'm gonna shout it out loud.
Do you know what your largest organ is? Right, it's your skin. It is like a grandmother Kelsey from your head to your foot. It protects you from germs and dirt. It keeps your body at the right temperature.
The skin is the first thing you see when you look at your body. It's waterproof and air can't get through it. It tells you if things are hot or cold, and even when you are cut. It covers you and warns you about lots of things. It tells you if things are rough or smooth, dry or wet. I'm sure glad I've got skin. Let's rock.
Skin, skin, we all have skin. Some is thick and some is thin. Some is brown, yellow, and tan. We all have skin, woman and man.
Let's get to the organ right here. That would be your brain. You do all your thinking with your brain. The brain is in your head. It's completely enclosed by a bone called the skull. This protects you.
Your brain is what receives all the messages from the outside world, puts them in order, and tells you what to do about them. Your brain is what makes you remember things, have dreams, or make up stories. It also does a lot of things you don't have to think about.
For example, it keeps your heart beating and it makes you breathe and takes care of digesting all your food when you eat. Your brain is really what keeps you alive, and also being alive is so very interesting.
We learned the three main parts of the brain. Look at my poster. Here is the cerebrum. It is the largest part of the brain and is divided into two halves called hemispheres. The cerebrum controls your thoughts and sensations, like pain, cold, and heat, and instructions, which tell different parts of the body to move.
The cerebellum at the back of the brain controls posture, skilled movement, and balance. It is connected to the cerebellum and spinal cord. The cerebrum and spinal cord. Next, let's talk about the central nervous system. You know, the central nervous system is a very vital part of our being.
The central nervous system has three main parts: the brain, the spinal cord, and the nerves. The brain is the center of this amazing communication system. It receives information through the nerves and either stores it away or sends it out from the body to do something about it. Just listen.
I'm thinking, I make decisions every day. I'm thinking, sometimes I smile and I feel pain. I'm thinking, I make decisions every day. I'm thinking, it's all because of my wonderful brain. The brain is soft and wrinkled, and it lies in the skull for starts. The cerebrum and the cerebellum and medulla are the three main parts. It's the center of our being. The central nervous system is neat. It keeps working night and day when we're awake or fast asleep. Well, I'm thinking, I make decisions every day. I'm thinking, sometimes I smile and I feel pain. I'm thinking, I make decisions every day. I'm thinking, it's all because of my wonderful brain. The central nervous system works 24 hours a day. When I read and walk and ride, and when I work and play. When I'm asleep, my brain still works. I breathe and swallow too. These things aren't voluntary. You need not tell them to. Well, I'm thinking, I make decisions every day. I'm thinking, sometimes I smile and I feel pain. I'm thinking, I make decisions every day. I'm thinking, it's all because of my wonderful brain. It's all because of my wonderful brain.
You know your skeleton is so...
$206 inside my body. 600 muscles help me move. I'm glad my skeleton fits together. I want to keep it all together. Many bones inside my body. My scalpel
circulatory system. In circulation, blood flows in a continuous stream through the body system's blood vessels.
What makes that thumping noise in your chest? That thumping noise in your chest is made by your heart. Your heart is a very important pump that pushes all the blood through all your blood vessels all around your body.
Everybody's got a heart. Everybody's got a heart. About as big as your fist. Something like this, it pumps blood all over your body. The circulatory system is the heart and the blood is true. And the veins and the capillaries are all working hard for you. Everybody's got a heart. Everybody's got a heart. About as big as your fist. Something like this, it pumps blood all over your body. Everybody take heart. Everybody take heart. And let's concentrate, the blood circulates all over my body. Everybody's got a heart. Everybody's got a heart. About as big as your fist. Something like this, it pumps blood all over your body. It pumps blood all over your body.
Your blood vessels.
Our blood has got to circulate through arteries and veins. Arteries carry blood away from the heart. Veins carry back to the heart again. Circulation, circulation, say thanks to the blood in the heart. And to the arteries, the veins, and the capillaries, our bodies can have a fresh start. The heart is a great big pump, we know. It keeps working and it doesn't get whipped. 60,000 miles of vessels in the body. Wow, what a fabulous trip. The arteries carry fresh blood to the body parts. Veins carry used blood back. And in the lungs it gets more oxygen. And then it starts on the very same track. Circulation, circulation, say thanks to the blood in the heart. And to the arteries, the veins, and the capillaries, our bodies can have a fresh start. Our bodies can have a fresh start.
You know,
I ate it. My stomach feels like a mess. 5 nut bars and 3 ooey gooeys. My body doesn't want to digest. That milkshake and large fry tasted mighty good, but I'm not eating exactly as I should. Digestion takes care of the food, but eating better will make you feel good. Digestion, woo, digestion, yeah. Digestion is the process of breaking down food, but eating better will make you feel good.
Next, let's talk about something a little more personal. Miss Till, I have to use the bathroom. Seriously, we all have a filtering system in our bodies to keep things clean and running smoothly.
The kidneys are on the back of the abdomen, one on each side of the spine. They are bean shaped and about 4 inches long. All the blood in the body goes through the kidneys to a waste filtered out.
The bladder.
I'm glad I got a filtering system, a cleansing system, kidneys and a bladder. I'm glad I got a filtering system, 2 kidneys and 1 bladder for me. When your bladder gets full, off to the restroom you will go. Eliminate your urine now. I now understand how, and I'm glad I've got 2 kidneys and a bladder. Right here below my ribs are my kidneys, they're shaped like beans. They send the waste from my body. They help to keep my blood clean. Although it's kind of personal, the filtering system is important to know. It helps to keep me healthy, so to the doctor I won't have to go. I'm glad I got a filtering system, a cleansing system, kidneys and a bladder. I'm glad I got a filtering system, 2 kidneys and 1 bladder for me. Whoa, 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 2 kidneys and 1 bladder for me. Whoa, 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 2 kidneys and 1 bladder for me.
Now,
The respiratory system helps us to get our air. The trachea, lungs, nose, and throat are always there. The lungs are made of air sacs, feel like your ribcage. They inhale and exhale, there's more, so turn the page. The right side has 3 lobes and the left has only 2. The heart lies here on the left side and takes a lot of room. These parts all work together for respiration every day. They help the human body get fresh air for work and play. The respiratory system is important to know. The respiratory system helps me breathe and helps me grow. By inhaling in and exhaling too, my lungs are working hard, it's true. The respiratory system is important to know. The respiratory system helps me breathe and helps me grow. By inhaling in and exhaling too, my lungs are working hard, it's true. Fascinating facts, fascinating facts. Listen now and you'll say wow. Fascinating facts, fascinating facts, fascinating facts are fun to know.
Here's a more interesting human body fact. When you are resting, your heart beats about 70 to 80 times a minute. So it beats about 100,000 times a day. And if you live to be 70, it would beat nearly 3,000 billion times without stopping.
Also, listen to this. In medieval times, the liver is thought to be the most important organ in the body. It was called the seat of life, and people thought that if you were angry, sad, good-humored, calm, or peevish, it depended on your liver. I'm sure.
More fascinating facts, fascinating facts. Listen now and you will say wow. More fascinating facts, fascinating facts, fascinating facts are fun to know.
You know, lots of things happen to the human body that need explaining. One question is, why do we blush? Another question is, why do we turn pale and frightened? These are good questions, and here we go with the answers. Go home and tell your family and friends these facts.
Why do we blush? When our cheeks go red with embarrassment, shame, or even pleasure, people say we are blushing. Tiny blood vessels or capillaries open wide to let blood pass through. Blushing is one of the ways your body has to keep blood sent to the brain at the correct temperature.
Why do you turn pale and frightened? Your face turns white because blood is diverted to another part of your body.
The heart pumps faster and stronger, pushing blood to the limb muscles, and adrenaline is released into the bloodstream.
In fact, your body is getting itself ready to run or even fight. When danger is past, your body quickly returns to normal. Well, that is it for the fascinating facts. You may enjoy finding some more in the library.
We've learned some fascinating facts. Fascinating facts. Listen now, and you will say, wow, we learned some fascinating facts. Fascinating facts. Fascinating facts are fun to know. Fascinating facts are fun to know.
Songs.
That's right, Amy. It's been fun in art class to have enjoyed our time together. Let's have a rap review of what we've learned.
My body is totally awesome, you see. There are lots of different parts to make a whole me. There's my bones and my muscles that help me jump, and a muscle called a heart that goes thump, thump. There's my brain that thinks and reasons too. Our brain has so many jobs to do. There's my lungs that help me breathe. They clean the air. There's the outside of me, my skin and my hair. There's my liver, my kidneys, and my stomach too. They all work together to digest my food. There are lots of different parts if you'll take the time. You can learn it all through rhythm and rhyme.
Well, everyone, we'll see you all later. Thanks for joining us on our tour of the amazing human body. We have really enjoyed it and hope you did too. On behalf of Mrs. Taylor Clausen and Science Arts class, we'd like to thank you for attending today. You've been a great audience. Please wait to be dismissed after our final song, So Long.
Human body, we say thanks for traveling on our tour. Though we've only touched the tip of the iceberg, we'll keep on learning and learning more and more. We've had fun here with human body. We say thanks for every boy and girl. It's a journey that will last a lifetime as we live and travel through this world. As we live and travel through this world.
Thank you.